Fetch AI at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a breakdown move, and we have lost a key area of support above the $1.48 and also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, flipping it back into resistance. And all this is playing out after we saw an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that has now given us a high above the 1.746. And on today's video, I will be discussing the key areas of support that we need to continue holding in the next coming hours, and above all, give you my long-term price prediction analysis. And for those of you that might be interested in taking a trade on Fetch AI, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange. And all you need to have for you to register for an account is an email address. Alternatively, you can use your phone number to register for an account. And getting back to the charts, I want to start the video by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, where we started a very nice bounce to the upside and peaked in this 5-wave structure to the upside, giving us a high above the 1.746 in a move that has now completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in that Elliot wave count 1, whatever I was expecting next was a bit of a corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum pullback target areas can be given by pulling the fibs from the lows that we made down there on the 5th of August to the highs above the 1.746, giving me a minimum pullback target area into the golden pocket. And that area lies between the 1.226 and the 1.103, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the charts. And in the next coming hours, I'm expecting to see Fetch AI give us a bit of a short-term pullback into this area over here. And once we get into this area over here, I will consider to DCA into Fetch AI, expecting an aggressive bounce to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3. And we also need to continue holding within this area, since that area should also act as support. And if by any chance we lose this key area of support over here, then the next key area of support to watch out for is the fib level 0.78 that lies above the 0.927 as the last line of support over here. But as long as we are holding within this area, I'm expecting a bounce in an Elliot wave count 3. Jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term price prediction analysis, I still believe that in this bull market, Fetch AI is going to give us more than a 10x. And you can see that last year we got our bear market lows and started an impulsive movement to the upside, where we peaked above the 3.479, completing this Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have not fully maximized, and there are very high chances that we have the lows in place for the second wave, and Fetch AI is ready for the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave above the $6. Then from that point, we can expect a short-term pullback in a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in this Elliot wave count 5 that can easily take us to new all-time highs and possibly give us more than a 10x to the upside. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the Fetch AI chart, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.